Okay, beautiful people. So it's been 7 days since I've been fermenting this rice water in my cabinet and it's all ready to be used. You can see that the water is much clearer now only because the rice has settled at the bottom of the jar. So just giving it a little shake, you can see that it's all cloudy again. I'm super excited to be trying this rice water, but I was a little concerned about how it's going to smell since it's been sitting there for 7 days and let's see how it's gonna go. I hope you've given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell for more DIYs that can help you grow your hair much faster. So this is my hair is all dried. It just came out of a protective hairstyle and it needs some TLC. And before starting all this treatment, I made sure my hair is all washed. So you can see that my hair is covered with a t-shirt and I'm drying my hair at the moment. And at this time, I'm going to give it a shake and I'm going to smell it. I was so concerned about how it's going to smell. But guess what? I was surprised at the smell. It really smelled good. It didn't smell that bad as I was thinking. And you know the secret? It was because of the orange peels and the lavender oil that I added. So guys, whenever you're doing your rice water, make sure you are adding some kind of citrus fruit as well as any essential oil because it's going to change the whole game for you. I was really loving the smell and I was super excited to use it. So I'm going to check the second bottle and see how it is also smelling. At the middle of the week, I had to change one of the bottles because I saw that it was leaking. So I transferred it into a bigger bottle. And hey, I was liking the smell. It wasn't that bad. So at this point, I decided to drain it and get all the rice water out. Because at this point, we do not need the peels. Of course, we do not need the peels. It is done with its work. So I drained both bottles into a bowl. And after, I'm going to transfer it back into the mason jar to make the use very easier. So when I read about how the Yahoo women do their rice water, I decided to follow every step. And whatever I didn't get to add to it, I make sure to add something that is similar. They wash their hair like so in a big bowl or sometimes in a river. But hey, I do not have any river here, so I decided to use my big bowl. And this is how I'm doing it. It's much easier to do the rice water wash this way because in this way, you can get it to every part of your hair, your scalp, the roots, every part of it because you need this water to get into your hair. This water is going to do so many wonders to the hair, and that is why the Yahoo women have stuck to this method of growing their hair and they have always had tremendous results with it. So guys, I'm going to stick with this because I love the end results. So make sure you are watching to the end because I'm going to show you the end results and also how I use the Vaseline to help grow my hair. And I hope you've already given this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell for more DIYs that can help you grow your hair faster. But hey, if you have any neck injury or neck problem and you cannot do it this way, feel free to transfer it into a spray bottle and spray it on your hair. Just make sure you soak your hair with the water. It has to really get into the hair. Do not just spray on the surface of it. Make sure it's getting into the roots. Then after that, you're going to cover it with a rubber cap or a shower cap or whatever you call it. And it's going to sit under there for about 30 minutes. And guess what I'm going to do whilst I'm waiting for that 30 minutes? I'm going to prepare my lunch with you because I was starving at this point. Okay, so this is yam. If you are watching this video and you know about yam, leave me a comment in the section below because I would love to hear from you whether you have tried this yam before or no. So this is how I prepare my yam. I just peel it and I cut it into smaller chunks like so. I wash it and I add some salt and some brown sugar to make it taste better. Then I boil it, and once it's tender, I drain the water. And this is my vegetable stew. I have some eggs, some meat, and some tomato, onions, pepper, and guess what? I have some cloves in there. I told you I use cloves in my food, so I love it. And after that, hey, I have my lunch already. You are so invited. Okay, so after eating my lunch, I went ahead to prepare the Vaseline cream. One thing you have to know is after using the rice water, your hair turns to be really dry because it's kind of a protein treatment. So you need to really add some moisturizing cream to your hair. And today I'm going to use the Vaseline mixed with Jamaican black castor oil. And guys, this is how I prepare it. I take some Vaseline and put it in a container like so. Then after that, I add my Jamaican black castor oil. Guys, if you are growing natural hair and do not know about Jamaican black castor oil, then you're really missing out on something good because because Jamaican black castor oil can help thicken your hair and also help you grow your hair faster. Then after, I'm going to add some organic honey. Honey is really great for our hair. It helps moisturize our hair, especially if you have low porosity hair. You should be adding honey to your hair care regimen. So today I'm going to add honey to this mixture. Then after, I'm going to give it a good stir. And guys, you know how we do it here. If you're still watching to this point, it means you are enjoying this video. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell. So I'm also going to add some coconut oil. You all know I love my coconut oil. Coconut oil can help prevent dandruff. It can help you grow your hair much faster and also add some shine to your hair. After, I'm going to give the mixture a good stir and I'm going to put it in the boiling water like so. I'm going to give it a stir and leave it in there for about 5 minutes or till everything melts down together. And this is what we have it now. Look at that, looking all yummy. Do you know that most hair grease has petroleum jelly, also known as Vaseline, as its base or main ingredient? So using Vaseline to grow your hair is really effective. If you haven't tried this recipe, make sure to give it a try. And this is what we are having now. And at this point, I'm going to put this mixture in the refrigerator. Yes, I said that. We need it to solidify into a cream. So we're going to leave it in the refrigerator till it solidifies or till it turns into solid form. Then after that, I'm going to show you the right way to use it. I'm going to show you 2 ways to use this. And this is my hair right now. It's time for me to wash it. I'm going to use my sulphate-free moisture and shine shampoo for Cream of Nature, as well as the intensive conditioner treatment today. So I use both of them and now my hair is all washed. And look at that, guys. Even though my hair felt dry, using rice water is like a protein treatment, but it looks so soft. I love how it felt. Look at the shine it added to my hair. And guys, ever since I started using this, I have been using this every 2 weeks. So if you really want to give it a try rice water in this way and let me know your honest review from it. And because it's a little drying to the hair, make sure you really moisturize your hair very well. And this is when the Vaseline cream that I just showed you comes in, because that will keep your hair moisturized for about a week. So I went in with my Mille's leave-in conditioner. Then I make sure to have it all in my hair. Then after that, I went in with my coconut oil. And guess what I'm going to go in with? This is my moringa butter. Guys, I'm going to leave the link to this butter recipe in the description box. You need to check it out. This butter can help you grow your bald spot, your edges, and also improve your hair growth. There are so many natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair. So at least give one a try and leave it for about 1 month. Try it for about 1 month and see how it goes. And if you love it, keep on using it. I love most of them because they are all natural and they are made from God, and everything from God, is good for the body. And guys, look at my hair. If you've been following me on this channel and you know my hair growth history, I used to have a lax hair and chemicals damage my hair, so I had to do the big chop. And with all these DIYs, look at how thick and beautiful and faster my hair is growing. So guys, when I tell you these things are working for my hair, it is working. So make sure to give them a try. Okay, so this is my Vaseline mixture right from the refrigerator, and you can see how solid it is right now. It's looking all yummy. This treatment will help prevent dandruff, hair breakages. It can help you grow your hair faster. And when you use this moisturizer, guys, it will keep your hair moisturized for a longer time, for about a week or even more. I love this treatment. If you haven't given it a try, give it a try and let me hear from you in the comments section below. If you have used Vaseline in any way to grow your hair, let me know from you in the comments section. So at this point, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use this Vaseline treatment or cream to grow your hair. The first way is to use it to seal in moisture in your hair. So after every wash, once you go in with your leave-in conditioner, you go in with your oils, the next thing is to use it as your cream to seal in the moisture. And look at how all shiny my hair is looking, guys. This treatment, you need to give it a try. If you haven't tried it, give it a try and let me hear from you, because all the ingredients put together are really beneficial for our hair growth. After using it, make sure to put your hair in a twist and lock in that moisture. Look at that. Are you seeing that? No, are you seeing that? So I'm going to try it again for the second time for you to see it. So after 3 days, 4 days, when your hair is all dry, you go in with water, just water, or you can mix the water with olive oil or your clove oil or any oil of your choice. Then once your hair is all wet, you go in with a leave-in conditioner. Then after that, you go in with this Vaseline cream. Just work it into it. And guys, look at my hair. How soft, how moisturized, and the curls are popping. I can't even stress on the curls. Oh my goodness. So this is the second way that you can use it. You can use it to grow your edges and your bald spot. So you can use it every morning or at night. You just rub it on your finger and rub it on your edges. Thank you so much for stopping by today to watch this video. I really enjoyed filming this video and I hope you also enjoyed watching. And hey, before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now. You're gonna love it. And I hope to see you at my next video. Thank you so much for being part of me and supporting my channel, and make sure to share this video with at least one person. Bye.